Last question.
Ma'am, I got a fair. What can you say about the ACT party list and other party lists identified during former President Rodrigo Duterte time as friends that are still running po?
Sorry.
Come again.
What can you say about the ACT party list and other identified other identified party lists that are from the Duterte's administration that are still running?
Kabayan Black.
Makabayan
I'm
Black.
black in the ACT party list.
ACT teachers.
Yes,
Yes. Well, sa mga botante, pag-isipan ninyo kung susuportahan nyo yung ACT party list kasi kahit na convicted na sa child abuse yung kanilang nominee ay hindi pa rin nila pinapalitan. So, hindi ko alam. Hindi tama na isang grupo ng isang party list ng mga teachers ang kanilang nominee ay isang tao na convicted with the crime of child abuse. So, pag-isipan ninyong mabuti yan bago kayo bumoto ng party list. And sa iba namang mga makabayan block na party list, ilang beses na inulit-ulit ng NTF-ELCAC kung ano yung connection nila sa CPP, NPA, NDF. Yes, sir.
We know that you are close to Pastor Kibuloy. What can you say about these cases?
It's a good thing na he decided to surrender so that mas mapadali yung pag-hearing ng cases niya. And I understand he's fully cooperating with the courts. And sana ay matapos na ay ma-resolve na yung kanyang mga kaso. Kung meron na siyang kailangan panagutan, then panagutan niya. Kung inosente man siya, then mapalaya na siya.
One last. Poporadyo.
Madam President, ako si Spino Poporadyo Bacolod. Vice President. Sorry, parang nagmamadali ako. Paano mo ba ihambing yung trabaho na nag-iisa ka na compare mo na mayroong unity pa kayo ng administration ni President BBM? So, saan yung mas ganda na magtrabaho mo isa o meron kasi?
I don't like crowds, so okay lang ako mag-isa.
With the administration. Compare mo na ngayon na
Pareho lang naman eh. Nung nandun ako, inaatake nila ako. Nung umalis ako, inaatake din nila ako. So, kung may preference man ako, base ko sa personality ko, ayaw ko ng maraming tao. I don't like crowds, so I can work alone.